security. Policy objective: to implement integrated security systems for the protection of physical assets in order to avoid or minimize the loss of equipment or materials at medium and large proportions. Purpose and scope: ensure the security of the assets of the organization through risk assessments. Establish control measures at the entrances and exits of each franchise. Responsible: franchise board, store manager, store assistant manager, head of operations. Opening the store and verifying the premises. The store should be opened 15 minutes before the advertised opening hour. At the moment of opening the store, the person opening it must first verify that the area is clear. Disable safety measures of the store, if there were any. Once the store is open, only the store personnel can remain inside of it until the beginning of operations. The premises must be checked to verify that the store is in good conditions. If the store is on top conditions to start operations, the person in charge will open the store for customers. At the start of operations, it must be verified that the administrative, tax and sales closures of the previous day were made. If so, it is okay to start billing. If not, the person in charge must perform the aforementioned closures before making any new bills. If the safety devices of the store show any signs of breach or violation, the person in charge must communicate this immediately to the general manager, franchise manager, or head of operations to jointly determine potential losses. If there are no material losses, or if they were not significant, they shall be repaired or replaced, and start operations. Under no circumstances would the key of the store be given to unauthorized personnel. If required, the person in charge must get authorization from management. If there were medium or important material losses, the representative of the management unit will immediately contact the proper authorities, police, private security, insurance companies, etc., to start the required procedures. Closing time. At the time of closure of the store, the person in charge must ensure that all access to the premises are properly closed and secured. Facilities should be left clean and organized for the next day. Safeguard the cash and close all shelves or deposits. Check and disconnect all electrical appliances and turn off air conditioning units. Check that the video recording equipment is functioning. If such system requires for the computer to remain on, the computer will be let on, and only the monitor will be turned off. Check and ensure that all faucets are turned off. Check that there's nobody left in the store. Activate all safety measure and devices of the store. Lock the store, and make sure to safeguard the key. Leave from the store's access area.